Hello dear friends, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fine and good. Come discover with me what is the true meaning of journey to divine love. Many people outside there are crying, not yet, and they haven't yet found their loved one. Is it because that person is not praying? Or is it because God is not hearing your prayers? And many others have found love but have ended up killing each other, breaking each other's heart. What is the solution to that? All is carved in one place, and that is Journey to Divine Love. Join us on our YouTube channel to find out more about what we say, about the experience we have, the guidance we are going to give you on how to find true peaceful relationships which are carved, sealed with God's blessings. Yes, we are indeed waiting for you on our breast channel, which is Journey to Divine Love. It is indeed a YouTube channel. Yes, when you go to your YouTube, just type in Journey to Divine Love. Type it as you are hearing it, and you will open that seal. It is a very big seal, but carved with God's love, purification, and everything. We are indeed waiting for you.